News in detail. Chief Minister Conrad Kisangma yesterday held a meeting with Water Resources, PHE and Forest Departments on measures to be undertaken for protection of water sources and catchment areas in the state. The discussion revolved around protection of drinking water sources at Wakdait, Lightkor, through protection of the Umkhen River, a drinking water source for the people of South Shillong. Speaking to media after the meeting, PHE Minister Marquis and Marak also informed that the government is engaging different departments working on similar projects to work together to achieve common objectives and ensure efficiency at all levels.
So in the meeting, it has come to the conclusion that the stakeholders will be called for the meeting at the level of DC. So DC will be initiating the meetings with all the stakeholders there, including the storm clearing people. So along with the Rambashnongs and headmen of that locality. So that decision has been taken. And as per the provisions of the forest and water source protection, steps will be taken, but first the meeting will be held along with the stakeholders, Rambashnongs, and decision will be taken later on.
The Northeastern Police Academy, NEPA, yesterday